Wow. God, I can never get bored of this site. I love Sedona. Sedona is definitely the top 10. I already put my energy, my freedom, and the smells. ETT Squad are incredible. ETT Squad, we're at the Red Rock Crossing. And the cool thing is, look, I got my hiking stick. I'm excited. How about you, Lovey? I'm excited. We're gonna start at this point and we're just gonna explore. This is my second time here and Lovey's first time. So we're gonna do some exploring. Let's go, ETT Squad. Now off to the Chapel of the Holy Cross. The chapel was inspired and commissioned by a local rancher and sculptor who had been inspired in 1932 by the newly constructed Empire State Building to build Bright Suns, ETT Squad. We're in Sedona, Arizona. We're going to show you around. We're at the HYATT Residence Club. And I'm going to show you our suite, our one-bedroom suite. Let's go. We're in 431B. And look at the view. Every view from our casita looks beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me give you a full room tour. Whoa, no way.
Your suite is ready.
My suite is ready. Suite?
Yes, it's a larger room.
Oh, okay, it's a larger room. This is really big. I love it. I mean, look at this. You could have a big Thanksgiving dinner right here.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We need to come back. You got a full big kitchen, giant kitchen with your sink, your dishwasher, refrigerator, and you have to have your laundry room, washer and dryer. Then my favorite part is this family room. Uh-oh, you have the, I don't want, it's a little tricky right here.
I kicked the carpet.
You kicked the carpet. You got your large family room with a fireplace. I always have to have my fireplace. I don't know what it is, but a fireplace is so cozy. And then what makes this suite the best? You want to see it, ETT Squad?
What can it be?
We're going to go outside. And we always leave the sliding door open full so you have a full view from the family room into this area. This is a balcony with a view. Look at this. Wow. God, I can never get bored of this site. I love Sedona. Sedona is definitely the top 10. Anywhere you travel, come to Sedona, Arizona. Look at this. God, I can't get over these. I can't never get bored of this site. And then you go into your master bed. You have your own private door to your master bedroom.
Wait, there's more?
Yep, there's more. There's more. You can leave the door open, Lovey, because the air is so fresh. And then you got a king bed, which I don't know what it is, but Baby Yoda, he always occupies our bed. He loves it. He's like, he wants his chocolate chip cookies. He wants his chicken nuggets. But he's tired from filming season 2, Mandalorian. He says to wait. And I'm guessing his name is going to be Mingus. It's a guess. Mingus. I love the room. I love the colors. Then you got your giant jacuzzi tub. That's just a jacuzzi tub. I didn't realize it was a jacuzzi tub. Oh, cozy. I got to take a bubble bath in that jacuzzi tub.
After a long hike.
Yep, after a long hike. And then you got your bathroom. Got double sinks, big shower, and then it connects into your kitchen, family room, and dining room. But yep, this is the room, ETT squad. This is the sweet suite. We love it, and we're excited to go tour and show you some sights, right?
Yeah.
Sights, food. We're gonna do some wine tasting. It's gonna be exciting, ETT squad. Let's go do some more exploring, ETT squad. I'm in my element right now. Look at how gorgeous this place is. Look at the trees, the grass, and the smells. Let's go see, they're doing some flamingo dancing. It's like all Spanish style. Let's go in. Feels like you're in Italy or Spain or Mexico. Lovely. This reminds me of the Pirates of the Caribbean.